Hey everybody, it's Giselle and welcome back to my channel. Um, so you saw me recently haul these tablecloths, placemats from the Dollar Tree. I was doing some cleaning up and I realized I had bought some of these in the summer, and I knew I bought this in the summer and put it up to do this craft, and just didn't do it. Um, So I had needed some more of these. So I'm just going to throw in a quick haul from Fabricland. It's a fabric store um, in my city. And there's not a lot of fabric stores around. So this one has been there since I was a little girl. So it's been there forever. Anyway, so I got some of this. And then when I was checking out, I saw these ribbon. I thought they were so cute. They were 80% off of $4.99. One of them has the price. Oh, here, $4.99. So 85 or 80% off of $4.99. I thought that was a good deal. So I got that color and I got that color. So super, super cute. So I had bought this with an intention to do this, and these are just going to be decorative pillows for my bed. My sister got me a new comforter for Christmas, and so timing is always right. A new comforter for Christmas, which is white, mainly white, but has gray in it, and it came with a decorative pillow cover, just one, like a long all white one, and then I think it's all white. It might be gray on it, and then another square one with some gray on it. And I thought for decorating my bed, I can either switch out or put them all on there. So I made this. So I had bought two, and then I found the two that I did. So I decided that I was going to use both of them to put for my bed and put on my bed. So I had, okay, so I haven't sewn since I was like in middle school, grade 7, 8, home economics. So I am not a sewer. I did, I did invest in a sewing machine because my daughter wanted to teach herself how to sew, and she's done projects over the summer. She did projects over the summer, so there is a machine, and maybe one day I will do the same. I will teach myself. So, okay, so what I did is I cut this off of the placemats. I use this because I'm not sewing anything. I do like it that it's, I guess you could fold it, put them back to back this way. Then put that seam, as you can see it's a binding seam so you don't have to sew. And then turn it and only do 3 sides. And then make it right side again, fill it, and then seal it. I like it having this almost like a seam. So at Christmas time I got my daughter's pillows. They got new pillows. So I just took I took their pillows. So they each got 2 new pillows. So I took their pillows, which wasn't that old, just to take out and then wash them and just take out the stuffing from the pillow. So I didn't have to buy, but if you don't have that or you don't want to use that, you can buy, I think Walmart, even the fabric store sells the filling that you could use to put inside the cushions or the pillow. And yeah, so that saved me some money. So for this project, I spent $2, well, $2.50 because it's $1.25 here, and then another $2.50, so $5 for 2 pillows, and then this cost me, I think it was like $6. I could be wrong though. Oh yeah, it was 7. So what I do is I just put this around the seams. So after I take off the tags, and then so I cut it to the size, so it's a lot easier. And then I just put, this is just a rough show, and then I just put this on top, line them up nicely. You can even use a pin to hold this in place if you wanted. And then it gets lined up, and then I just use. Okay, so I have kind of set it up to be ironed, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'm going to stuff it after I iron it. So see you in the next one. Okay, so I ironed the 3 sides, and now I am just putting the stuffing in from that old pillow that I said. So I had washed a pillow. My daughters got new pillows for Christmas that I got them. So I took their pillows that they had and washed them, and then just took out the stuffing from there to make these decorative pillows for my bed. So I'm just going to finish it up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, folks, they are done, and I'm going to put them on my bed. I'll show you how they look on my bed with the new comforter that I got. Simple, easy project. I definitely will the next time pin it down. They shifted too much, so there's a little bit of imperfections here, but I'm good with this. So until the next time. But yeah, so the next time I will definitely put pins in it to hold before I iron it, so it doesn't shift as much and it gives it time. Because even though it seals, like it melts, what happens is this melts. It's almost like gluey, so it still needs a few minutes to set. So either you have to go really slow and let it hold and not move it. And if there's a lot of padding, it could lift up still if you let it go and stuff like that. So I would just pin it to hold it down in place. And then after a few minutes, it doesn't take long. I move the pins, and then as soon as it cools, it seals. As soon as it starts to cool down, it seals it like it's sewn. Okay, so I'm gonna just put them on my bed and show you what it looks like what it looks like on my bed. Thank you for watching, everybody, and let me know what you think. Again, super easy project. I'm thinking of doing a few more decorative pillows like this. Maybe I should also learn how to sew, but I mean, easy if you don't know how to sew, and that is me. I don't know how to sew. So, and these are really pretty, and they're durable. Like they're not thin at all. So again, these were placemats, fabric placemats. So again, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.